An engineer's workbench. The heart and soul of creation. The place where projects come to life. The place where mind meets hand in the union of knowledge and workmanship. The place where tools are used and worn down. An opportunity to learn new things and hone new skills. A time sink, an inspiration, and a second home. I am an engineer, and this is what my workbench means to me.
Hello, I hope you enjoyed that cinematic segment that I filmed for this video. I was really excited when I saw that Keysight had announced their Creator Challenge because I had some really great ideas for what I could do for a video like this, and I think it came out really great. My workbench isn't perfect, but it's one of my favorite places to spend time, and between building batteries and tinkering and learning new things, I spend a lot of time out here. So now let's get on to the important facts. How can these Keysight tools improve my workbench? Well, if you look at some of my footage, you'll see that there aren't a lot of super expensive, high quality tools on my workbench, especially electronics ones. The things that I work with are some cheap multimeters and a power supply that I built myself. But that's not to complain. As a maker, I do my best to work with what I have and produce the best that I can. But with these high quality Keysight tools, it would make my life even better than it already is, allowing me to do things that I couldn't do before. One of the projects that I'm really excited to work on soon is a 6 degree of freedom robotic arm. And I feel that with that experience, I'll get one tiny step closer to how cool Tony Stark was to me as a child. Listen, I love engineering and I love tinkering, and I'm confident that this equipment can slowly help me realize some of my lofty life goals. One day, when I hope to be running a technology company of my own, I'll be able to reminisce on the journey that got me there. Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed my spiel. If you're watching this on social media, share it around. Maybe I'll be able to inspire some other young engineer to do some great things like I hope to as well. Peace out.